got the Jordan merchandise today, guys. Yes, I'm feeling very, I don't know, Jordanism, if that even makes sense to you. I am bringing the heat when it comes to the latest, the best, at least the best pickups of Jordan, and when it comes to their highest quality stuff, guys. And it's, in this case, let me show you real quick, 4 t-shirts. And of course, let me not come out of the camera there. Kind of weird, you know what I'm saying? And a hat. Damn it, I think I'm gonna have to block that one for the crazies. Yeah, but there is a hat, guys, and I hope you guys are ready for this, because it's coming on fire. Como anda, my YouTube fam? I hope you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity. I'm not gonna clap because I know it bothers the mic, you know what I'm saying? And all good things. Guys, you guys want to just get into it directly? You guys want to get straight into the point? Let's get straight into the point. Damn it, I forgot my massive cleaver. Yes, massive cleaver. The ultimate protection. Let's get to it immediately, guys. Let me protect the things here for the crazies, guys. Yes. By the way, guys, I have the most fun ever when it comes to the clothing. I can't stand editing it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a pain in the ass, but I have a lot of fun with it. Why? Because I just go with it. I go with it all the time. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, I forgot what the hell I was going to say. Oh, yes. Yes, guys. Check this out. I got this one. Hopefully, it matches. Let me see. Yes, I got to look in the light, guys. It is for the Pure Monies, guys. The Pure Monies. Let's check it out real quick right here. Yo, yes. All right, guys. All right, check it out, guys. I'm going to bring you the Pure Money right now. Let me bring you the Pure Money so we can put it side by side. But first, look at the shirt. The hat. Yes, guys, there it is. Very nice. With the Florida Marlins with a little black outline, white in the middle, and the silver that obviously you guys know already. It's in the Pure Money and the actual stitching. The actual lid is in gray. Very nice. The New Era logo is in white. And all the way in the back, it has a little tint of black right there. And it has the silver embroidery surrounded with white. The Florida Marlins, the actual inauguration year, 1993, has the hint of black also. A lot of silver, just like the stitching on the Pure Money. And, you know, it's just nice all the way through. And the bottom of the actual lid is in teal. Very nice. It gives it the Miami touch. I love that when it comes to this. The inside just says Cooperstown's collection, 7.5. And guys, this one came straight from Crown Minded. Yes, guys, straight from Crown Minded. Let me go get the Pure Money real quick. Oh, wrong wall, my bad. It was right next to me. I didn't even notice. Here we go. Here we go, guys. What do you think? What do you guys think? And by the way, the actual white on it, it's like an off-white that matches the elephant print on it. Check it out, guys. Very nice. The silver all the way through. Very beautiful, you know. And it has the little pop of black. That obviously the shoe doesn't have black. Thank God. But, you know, you guys know what I'm trying to say over here. Very nice. Very, you know. I didn't want it a perfect. I could have just gone and buy the whole triple white one, but I think that's a little too much, a little cheesy there. But it's not bad. It's not bad, but it's just too much of the white, you know. So yes, guys, there it is, and of course, the Pure Money in the back. I almost broke the tab. Come on, man. There you guys go. I don't know if you guys can see it. The silver. A lot of silver. Very nice. Next. Yeah, I like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing you guys first, and I'm not even looking at it. Yeah, I just put it right there on the desk. Very nice. All right, guys. This one that fell. Jordan pieces. Just so you guys can know, all Jordan pieces. Let's start off with the first one. This one is, out of what I can see right here, is the actual Air Jordan Chicago. Just in case you guys want to know what brand this is, if you guys haven't seen the review of it, this is Represent, the Metallica collaboration. Just so you guys know. And the hat is actual Represent also. Let's check it out. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the whole Jordan thing and why is it that I'm buying so much Jordan brand now. Because, yes, very good quality. Exactly. Here's the thing about it, guys. Here's the thing about it. Look at that shirt right there, guys. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think I could show you right there. Well, I'll probably still record it. But very nice. It has Air Jordan Chicago in red, Air Jordan in white. The whole t-shirt is in black. No more stitching anywhere in the shirt, guys. Except right in the bottom, it has the little tab right there with the Jumpman logo. Very nice, guys. You know, the little tab right there. But there's nothing else on the rest of the shirt, guys. Very clean, very nice. Over 200 GSM guaranteed. This is probably like a 220, very heavyweight cotton. And I'm going to tell you something, and why is it that I'm buying this? Guys, this shirt right here, for an example, I have an actual Represent shirt that I'm going to bring it up because I have talked about Represent a lot. And I love the brand Represent. But something has been happening to my Represent shirts that are a disaster. The sewing comes off. You're charging me $150, $160 for these shirts. So as a reviewer and Represent, that I'm gonna tag them in this video, have never reached out to me. I guess when I used to do the reviews, I was very small channel, and things change in life, and it's just bad for them if they never reach out to me. But if there's something wrong with the brand, and out of a sudden all these type of things are happening, and they don't care about reaching out, because at that time I was a very small channel, and to them it wasn't an impact. Things change. Let me know what happened to these shirts and why are they, you know, I'll do the whole review. I'll do the whole thing about it, guys. Little side tangent, you know what I'm saying? So why is it that I'm buying Jordan? Because these shirts right here, they go for this one right here that is a thicker cotton. It's a lot thicker than this by a long shot. $60. And you could wash this literally in a pond full of rocks and it still holds on strong. I don't let brands and I don't let price fool me, guys. That ain't gonna roll over here. I'm always gonna bring you the honesty truth. But anyways, except for besides that, you guys saw the first one. Let's get to the next one. Let's cheer it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Next, here we go. Jordan. Yes, guys, very nice. It says Jordan in a real big print, and it's actually like the material on it feels like a suede, more like a rubbery suede, but very nice and thick, very good quality. The whole shirt, 220 GSM, like I was saying. The rest of the shirt has absolutely nothing except for the back of the neck area that it has a nice print of MJ right there, the Jumpman logo. Yes, that's MJ, baby, that's MJ. And it's nice and thick too, guys. Very nice silicone, very nice plastic, silicone, the whole shebang. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yes, very good quality. As you guys can see right there. Actually, I don't know why I'm putting it over there. As you guys can see in the camera, I am a size large, or this is a size large, and I am 175 pounds. Drinking 3 gallons of water, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not bad at all, guys. You can't complain. Next, guys, I took a little break right now just in case it looks a little weird or something like that, but you know, I took them out of the bags. I don't want to be wasting my time with the whole bags, be editing that 6,000 years. No, I'm good with that. The next one, guys, this one is, and I think I have, you see, I'm still messing up, whatever. This is the Jordan Essentials. Yes, guys, check this out. Beautiful. As you guys can see right there, it has this tab right in the middle of the chest with the Jordan logo and the flight right under it, the double cross stitching in the sides, very nice. And it has like a pocket feel right in the middle. And the rest of the shirt has absolutely nothing, guys. No sewing, no stitching, nothing in the back. It is basically Jordan Essential. This is very good quality, very nice, subtle, swagged out look, you know what I'm saying? Not too flashy, not to look at me. And very nice, guys. It's just very beautiful right here. You can't go wrong on it. And I think this shirt was $50. I think it was, guys, if I'm not mistaken. As you guys can see there again, size large, 175 pounds. Bing, bam, boom, bam, boom, bing. Real nice. Ooh, yes. There you go. Next. And last but not least, guys, the king of rock and roller right here. This one, guys, nice little thing right here. This one goes for 95 smackaroos. Yes, guys, 95 smackaroos. And it's the Jordan rugby shirt. Very nice. Let's get into it immediately. Check this out, guys. The collar in white. Make sure you shower real good, or that the collar is gonna get nice and dirty. And it's not nice whatsoever. Back to it, you see the stitching in the back with the black and red, you know, nice little details. The actual branding right there, very nicely too, very nicely made. Jordan with the Jumpman logo in red. Of course, guys, size large. And right in front, it says Dolores. It's actually a patch on this one, sewn in patch. Dolores Foundations for Achievements. And on the other side, it has the Jordan Sport logo. Yeah, no, it doesn't say sport, but it is the Jordan Sport logo right there. Right under the patch of Dolores, it says Michael Jordan's Flight School, all sewn on. Very beautiful. And under the Jordan Sport logo, once again, yes, it says Flight, and it has the F. Yes, in red, very nicely sewn on. In the belly area or stomach area or ab area or whatever you guys are rocking with nowadays, you know what I'm saying? It has nicely printed in a thick silicone 23, and it's squared off. Very nice, guys. On the left sleeve, you see the elephant. That is obviously a little homage there to the elephant print. It says 23 in the top with Roman numerals. The black and red stripes, very nice, guys. And right under it, it says Flight sewn on also. On the right sleeve, it has very nice patch as well. 23 right there, surrounded in red. And it says Take Flight since 1984. A lot of people have been asking me about that. Why 1984 when in reality it was founded in 1985, and now they're taking out the classic 40th anniversary, and this is the 40th anniversary. Guys, the reality is that this is basically talking from the moment that he actually signed with Nike. Remember, it says right there, Take Flight. Take Flight. That's when it all started, that he signed with Nike. But when this brand really came out, the first shoes came out, the whole shebang, it was in 1985. So the reality is the foundation of Jordan was in 1985. This is just when it all started, guys. When the paper was signed, the big book of money, you know what I'm saying? And right under it, it says Aerospace with the quantum physics type of logo right there, you know, going all over the place. Very nice. In the back, there's absolutely nothing, guys, whatsoever. That's it. And all the way in the bottom of the shirt, it has the Jordan big patch, very nicely sewn, beautiful. That's what I say, guys. What a great quality all the way through. And it has the Jumpman logo, Jordan performance brand of excellence. Very gorgeous all the way through, man. What a beautiful shirt. Look at this type of quality. This is thick, guys. This thing, I'm telling you, this is 250 easily GSM. Very thick quality. You could even use this for winter, even though I got a little swag thing going on there that I'm thinking about. I like wearing long sleeves in the summer. I don't mind it at all, even if I'm sweating my tits off. But very nice, guys, very nice. And for $95, you could get this quality. You guys know already that it'll be any other brand. It's gonna be in the hundreds. I think, what is it that was Supreme? Supreme charges you like $150, $160 for this same exact type of thing. I have the rugby shirt. I think it was like $170 or something like that. $95. Jordan brand. Bruh. Jordan, dude, this is all I'm gonna say, guys. Like, yo, seriously. Dude, how you gonna, the materials and everything that Jordan and Nike, because I'm not just gonna say Jordan, I'm gonna say Nike too on this one. Dude, the materials are out of control and the pricing is on point. I understand, guys, it's not extremely cheap. I'm not gonna lie to you. $100 for a shirt, I understand, guys, but if you look at this in a point of view, you're gonna get a material for $100 that it's Ralph Lauren polo material, that it's there one-on-one. If you will get that shirt, if you put a polo logo, the Ralph Lauren logo on it, you got a Ralph Lauren shirt. It's to that point. So, dude, Nike, Jordan, keep doing what you're doing, dude. You guys are killing the game, dog. Like, that's serious. You guys are killing the game and making great clothing. Great. It's just, I'm really liking it. So, guys, just to cut it off or to speed it up, I'm going to be bringing a lot more of this type of clothing. Realistically talking, guys. Because these other brands that are just charging up the wazoo for this clothing that is worth shit, that they ain't bringing nothing to the table, nothing that is like, yo, this is the heat of Nina. No, bro, it's not worth it to that point. It's like Amiri. Like something like, yo, Primo, go buy yourself some Amiri and Rude and bro, do you possibly think I'm gonna go and spend $400 or $500 on a t-shirt? On a t-shirt. Bro, are you kidding me? Who do I gotta show this off to? You crazy, son. Bro, you could get, for $50, $60, you get a badass shirt that will last you 10 times longer. Dude, that's just literally, excuse my word on this one, but it's only but a dick measuring contest when it comes to that shit. That shit ain't worth it at all, guys. At all. I'd rather get those $400 or $500, bro, and I don't know, blast it in a strip joint or something. I'm dead serious, bro. Like, anything that I could get a memory out of. So at the end of the day, that's all that counts, bro. Like, I'm talking to you, like I've always said, guys, I talk to you guys like I'm in the living room, bro. Like a conversation with family, bro. Get the hell out of here, bro. Get the hell out of here paying all that money to show off to who? To a bunch of wieners and shit? You know what I'm saying? You think a female knows? You think of, not knows, but let's say a female does those. She don't give a shit about what you're wearing, bro. She cares about how fat that pocket is. You know what I'm saying? It's not this fatness, if you know what I'm saying. That's what they care about if you're going to get a gold digger. The non-gold digger, you don't need to worry about clothing. That's all it is. So all you're showing off, bro, is a bunch of wieners, bro. A bunch of wieners and gold diggers. That's all it is, bro. I'm telling you, I could go off on this all day, guys. All day. But anyways, I'm going to be bringing a lot more of these reviews. I am going to bring the truth. This channel's about the truth, about these brands that ain't worth it. I'm going to bring it all, guys. It is what it is. Even if I got to cough up the money just to say, this shit is garbage. It is what it is, guys. But anyways, till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. If you guys want me to check out some any other Jordan shirts or stuff like that, or you guys probably got another pickup, let me know. I'll cough it up, you know what I'm saying, and I'll throw it down with it. The next time, like I said, I think I said it already. Peace. I think I said it. I did say it. Well, I have no idea. Peace. I love you all. Shit, I'm all over the place on this one. El cohete. Estoy mal.